This math one kind of puzzle type. If n equals 7 to the power 9 minus 6, what is the unit digit of n? Unit digit means 1. 7 to the power, let 7 to the power 1 equal 7. Unit digit 7. 7 to the power 2, 7 into 7 means 49. Unit digit 9. 7 to the power 3, 7. 49 into 7. Unit digit equal 4343. Unit digit 3 or 7 to the power 3. 7 to the power 4. 7 cube multiply 7 2401. Unit digit 1. This unit digit. 7 to the power 5. 7 to the power 4 multiply 7 equal 16807. Unit digit 7. This unit digit 7. Now 7 to the power 1 unit digit 7. 7 to the power 5 unit digit 7. So 7 to the power 1 and 7 to the power 5 has repeated unit digit. So 7 minus 6 equal 1. The answer will be 1. This 7 to the power 9 means 7 minus 6 equal 1. This unit digit will be 1. Again, let 7 to the power 1 means 7, unit digit 7. 7 to the power 2 equals 7 multiply 7 or 1, 49, unit digit 9. 7 to the power 3, 7, 7, 7 or 7, 49, 7, 343, unit digit 3. 7 to the power 4, 7 to the power 3 multiply 7, 1, unit digit 1. 7 to the power 5, unit digit 7. So 7 to the power 1 and 7 to the power same and repeated, and 7 minus 6 equal 1.